Let's learn how to enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. It's a very simple thing, and many people don't know how to do it, but we'll do it in just a few steps. If you want to learn how to enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp, stay until the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is find and open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you have opened WhatsApp, you need to go to the option located at the bottom right corner of the screen called Chats. After you have opened that option, a page will open where you'll see a list of all your chats. On this page, find the chat for which you want to add disappearing messages. Once you have chosen the chat you want, enter it by clicking on that chat. When you are inside the selected chat, click on the chat's name located at the top of the screen. Click on the chat name, and a page with many options will open. From all those options on the page that opened, you need the option Disappearing Messages, which you will find by scrolling down a bit. Once you have found the Disappearing Messages option, click on it, and a page will open where you will have 3 options to choose a message timer. These 3 options are to set the message timer to 24 hours, 7 days, and 90 days. Select the option you want by clicking on it, and you have successfully enabled disappearing messages. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.